Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about this right here, and you're probably looking at this like, what is that? But this hunty is a Jade Roller. Now I discovered Jade Roller on my Instagram from following Tracy Ellis Ross, and she uses these quite a bit. So like I said, it sparked my interest and I picked this up from Amazon, and I have been using it since I got it. I absolutely love it. I have not been able to put it down or stop using it. I absolutely love it. Now this has a lot of benefits from using this, but I think that I just like using it just because it's a little neat tool and I really do like it. But I'm going to tell you about some of the benefits from using it. Now it does depuff and combats the swelling under the eyes, and since it's jade, it's naturally cooling. It always feels cool to touch because it's actual jade. Now I still keep this in the refrigerator so that it stays cool, because for me sometimes I can have puffiness under the eye, and that's what this little area here is for, because it fits perfectly under the eye area there. And the bigger one is for like your neckline and for the jawline, and you want to do it just like this. You want to roll in a way that doesn't pull the skin or cause it to, or like pull or drag prematurely, because that's what we don't want. Ain't nobody got time to be having all these wrinkles and lines and saggy skin. So this is to exercise the skin, promote plumpness and elasticity and all that good stuff, and it promotes lymphatic draining and all of that. So it has some pretty cool properties to using this thing, and I'm going to have all that linked and listed on my blog, as well as a link to grab one of these. These are very inexpensive and I find them to be very beneficial. So yeah, I use this every night before I go to bed. Like I said, I just enjoy using it, and this is called a Jade Roller. So be sure to check these out and just grab one. It's just great to have just sitting on your vanity or your bathroom counter. It's just cute, and I think you'll enjoy using this just as much as I do. Yeah, and I just use it with my favorite night cream, whatever serum or night cream, facial cream that you have, and it just helps to massage that into the skin. So yes, you kind of want one of these in your life, because like I said, it's just a really nice tool to have, and it helps your skin. So why not invest in your skin? This is the largest organ that we have on our body, so we want to take care of it. I know I do, especially my face. I ain't got time to be looking old, okay? I don't want to look old. I'm old enough. I just don't want to look, you know, no older than I am, and I don't want to prematurely age. So get yourself on a good skincare regimen and pick you up one of these. You won't regret it. Until next time, bye.